And then what? Add kernel. What's this? Two to 4 minutes, so let's see.
How many minutes?
3:25. It's about 3:25 seconds. Go. I'm not trying to get you back on me. Did you hear that? It's popping now.
It's stopping. Ikaw na nga nito rin.
Just leave it here.
I can hear it. It's popping. Why is it popping? Of course, because it's a popcorn. How many minutes?
3 minutes. I-off daw po natin. Konti na lang yung baba.
How do you
I said to keep the lid on, but it's like overflowing.
Baka hindi mo na-lock?
Sabi po, i-keep ko daw yung lid on. But like, I don't think I'm supposed to now that I'm looking at it.
How do you keep it on?
Yun po na naaakyat. Wala.
Tatakpan mo dapat?
I feel like that's enough.
Sabi mo i-off.
Turn off the kettle. What is? Wait a minute. And then where is it? That is
Popcorn.
anticlimactic.
Did you add flavor?
Not yet.